What to do after your business failed? Hey everyone, my name is Harshad. I turn entrepreneurs into wealthy retailers. Would you like to know what to do after your business failed? Before we go ahead, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you had already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to get notified with the new videos. From a small business to billion-dollar businesses fail sometimes due to internal or external factors. So what to do after your business fails? I have started my business with just 135 rupees in my pocket and grown it well in a year's time. Got married in 2005 Jan. Dead broke by 2005 September. Touched base with all possible gods, astrologers, friends, banks. Tried a lot to get to normal but couldn't happen. When you speak to 100 people, 100 people will give you 100 different opinions and advices. Joined back to job in November 2005 and the amount of salary which I joined when I revealed to my friends, all said I gone mad. You could have waited for better opportunity. That period of time for me, it's not about the greater opportunity. It was just about how to take care of my family. The only priority was to earn that which can take care of a decent shelter, 2 times food a day. In just 7 months, I doubled my salary, bought 2 cars. As 50% of the salary and 40% of my time, I was spending on learning new set of skills that can give me an exponential growth. Every year, I was doubling my salary as I was doubling my highest paying skills. In 2011, I left my high paying corporate job with a true mindset to help small medium businesses win. One thing I was clear, entrepreneurship is simple but not easy. After a couple of years of starting my entrepreneurial journey, when I started to scale my business, I landed at a successful failure of 2 million in debt. To recover the same, begged, borrowed, and I did whatever I needed to do ethically and invested more than 4 million continuously for 4 years on me again than in the business to just learn from the world-class mentors and coaches. As I understood one more thing very clearly, that I am the only biggest asset in my life. You heard it right. No matter the business fails, am I growing personally is the only question in the early morning every day in my life till date. Every partnership was failing as none of the partners had the same hunger which I had and absolutely no integrity on themselves and the work ethic. So never expect that you will never fail. No matter whatever the God gifts you have, or you may be the world's richest person ruling the nations. Majority of the Fortune 500 companies leaders dead broke. Only thing is very few know, and now everyone can due to social era. So what to do after your business fails? Imagine you're dead broke. Get a job. If you don't have a corporate background or experience like me, then start from the scratch. The question is how? I'm mentally and financially broke. The first thing you should do is becoming mentally fit. Second, invest on yourself. Learn from internet, YouTube. There are lots of free stuff where world's best mentors and coaches are teaching now. Third, identify your core strengths and passion. Fourth, look into the biggest problem you can solve and identify the total addressable market size. Fifth, look into the top market spaces in your domain and see where, why, how they are crushing which you haven't done. Sixth, build a team of right vendors, consultants and advisors and associates in your core expertise and collaborate with them. Play with very high integrity. If anything goes wrong again, trust me, your integrity will help you. You didn't play it with high integrity, that's why your business has failed and you dead broke. No matter whatever the reason, when you play with high integrity, people around you will lift you, and without people, no one in the universe can build a profitable and successful business, or not even they can just build a business. Seventh, build a marketing and sales process. Build a website. If you can't afford to build a website, then open free Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Google Business. WhatsApp business accounts, etc. The objective here is to have the sales process with consistency than perfection. Understand how to promote and sell product. If you can't afford to make a sample product, then take someone else's products or services and sell, and start making money online and offline, and if you can both do. 8th, build a leadership pipeline. If you don't know how to trade your time smartly, then all you end up doing the same your entire life. A business is never a business that which cannot be scaled. 9th, start building a brand than just making money. No matter you could be selling your own product or services or someone else's, build your own brand no matter you sell identical merchandises or services. Build your personal and corporate brand with right positioning. This can help you raise funds through an investor or through customer funded business models. 10th, establish yourself and your business. Before you think to grow your business, build business strategically. If you try to grow your business without building it strategically, then you will definitely face an immature death and you will be back to failure again. The conclusion here is, never ever think that your business never fails. I learned recently with one of my mentors that Google follows 50-50 rule. Think that you have 50% chances to win and 50% chances to fail in that business. So the bottom line is, always build business strategically before you plan to grow and scale it. I hope the time spent with you was well worth. And if you like this video, please share with your loved ones so that as a community we can help as many as entrepreneurs as we can. If you haven't joined my Facebook group, find the link in the below post where you can mastermind, network, help and get help by other entrepreneurs. If you really want to build, grow and scale your business, check my consultancy Retailer Destination to help you discover the roadblocks strategically. If you want to attend my masterclass, find the link in the below post for more details and also to know when is my next masterclass. See you in my next masterclass, or I see you with my next new video. Thank you and glad to be here with you. Be awesome and prosper.